Mandatorily get the heck out.
But many residents in New Orleans aren't taking.
It's about get out. We're strongly encouraging tourists definitely get out. And then the next time you hear us, it's going to be get the heck out. And mandatorily get the heck out.
She's a keeper, she caught my eye. Clear vision like contacts, I see her. Her body smoking like reefer, gripping my soul like ether. Point from head to toe, like Miss Jackson, she in control. Knowing me, I gotta let her know. She leaving with me when the club gon' close. Uh-oh, she telling me that this her favorite song. She tell Khaled to hit repeat and play it all night long. I tell her, if she ride with me, she really can't go wrong. She tell me, just promise me that this is where I belong. Come on, this is the night you'll forever remember. She hot like mid-July and I'm cooler than 50 winters. Together we unstoppable like hurricanes and blizzards. We perfect like Kodak, I think you get the picture. Besides, from the look in your eyes, I think you admire me. Let's cut the chit-chat, I think you should take a ride with me. Screaming ride with me. You put it on repeat, left the booth and came to vibe with me. She down to slide with me, so I grabbed her hand and we left the building. Hit the lot, she all over me, kinda like my drunken feeling. Lord willing, maybe this night can be repeated too. I wouldn't mind doing this twice, kinda like deja vu. And I ain't playing, boo, we need to be laying like concrete. You Adrian, I'm Rocky, her avalanche can't stop me. I got my keys, so why don't we take the trip to the key? I know you down, so baby girl, just take a ride with me. If you want, little mama, for the weekend, sail on the 7 seas in the West Indies. A weekend, pick a spot on the map, and tomorrow we'll be right there. If you want, there's no coming back.